So just have a massive gust here. I don't know if that's it or what. It looks like she's clearing up already. Let's see what damage has happened anywhere. Everyone's got their generators running. Not me, I got solar power. All the panels look like they're still intact. 100-kilometer-an-hour winds. These guys are still here. Those guys are still here. You should have seen trees were literally blowing over down the road when I was driving down the road. Wonder if anyone got hurt or damaged in this little event. I wonder if it's over. Like, here comes the blue skies. Still looking nasty that way, but it's going that way. Get a little bit more rain. Made it up to here so far with wood. It's all decent burning this year stuff. This whole room has to be filled to the ceiling. Well, that's if I'm going to burn 24 hours a day. Which I plan not to this year, I hope. Really like to use the solar mainly. Nice wood I got, man. Dry already. Just the middles. Just dry, nice, perfect already. Just from being together as a whole, it's still got a little bit of moisture in it. Like you notice stuff that's been out in the sun, it's like suntan and silver, where this is all fresh, cured wood, no sun ever hit it. So, look, now the sun's coming back out. I think we passed this storm already. I wonder how long we're gonna have power out for too. It's a joke. There's no way in hell anyone from Hydro could ever give me trouble about having a solar system because they can't keep the power on. No power still. I'd like to keep this radio on the grid just so I can tell. Power again. I always shut it off if there's ever going to be a lightning or heavy wind. I don't need nothing blowing away and shorting out and then causing fire inside because something outside happened. So if you cut the ties to outside from here, pretty much from here up is not connected. So that's why I do that. Got a third one of these two now. Anyways. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll let you know when the power comes back on. 10 after 2. It's been up since 2. Oh, I see why the power's out. We got some tree damage here. Guess I'm not going to the store. Well, cool, man. This way now. Switching directions like crazy. No, I see you up there. Some heavy gusts. Anyways. So, 7:15, still no power. Look at them demon clouds. Demon clouds. We got lava in them. Moving super fast though. Good movement everywhere in the trees. Hard to see. Once in a while you just get a huge gust. Your trees falling down and everything. I'm not sure we're gonna get too much more rain. It's all pretty hectic. Just like little gusts here and there. Like I said, we're in a low spot. Everything's up high in the trees. Like you can just look at these middle trees here. They're barely even moving. And if you look up top, they're getting some wind up there. That is what it is. Still some pretty heavy darkness coming this way. I turn the panels off just in case something happens. Something blows away and who knows? Who knows what could happen. Solar's been doing great. Not really too much to say. Glad I got the solar system. Thanks for watching. Oh.
Well, what's those right there?
10 to 8. Where's the batteries at? Fridge running.
Daddy, I saw something.
Still no power.
This window.
What did you see?
Birdies.
Mm-hmm.
Birdies.
Birdie? Looks like we're getting some sun too. It's gonna be a nice sunny day today. So, we are running a bit of stuff. It's coffee time. Okay, jump out of it. Gonna make a coffee. We're already running 14 amps and we're down to 122 because the sun hasn't hit the panels yet. Yeah, let's see what she goes down to. Making both. Big load. drop a bit. Yeah, from 12 to 25. No battery drop on the. That's pretty cool. That would be 25 amps. 120. Anyways, thanks. So, I can't believe this shit. It's like 9:30 in the morning. About 10 minutes after I made my last video. This guy's still on. Must be the top one on. Now we're losing all the sun. Looks like we're gonna get a storm again. Smoke here. Go outside. See what the hell's going on out there. It's like super sunny 10 seconds ago here. Losing our blue sky. Frickin' storm coming back in. Well, at least there's some sky over there. Still hear them generators flying. Notice that most of the storms come from the south or from over that way. This one looks like it's coming from that way. But it shouldn't be on there long. It'll go past. Getting up there on the wood stack too. Got some more in yesterday. These loggers. These two right here were one piece. I had to split it to lift it. These are heavy pieces, man. My chainsaw cuts right through this too. Beauty. Big pieces. Maple. Still a little damp though. Getting up there on the wood pile. Comes quick. Wood stacks up pretty damn quick. Anyways, thanks. Oh. Still no power. It's now 10 o'clock in the morning. Hot water's full. Check on the temperature. Probably shut off at 125. It does that. I did it right from 108 to guaranteed it's at 125. Yeah, see. When it's such a long stretch, it always shuts off for a bit early. But we're up to temperature. 10 o'clock in the morning. No power. 132. Getting 2,800 watts. Man, I think it's gonna be a normal day here. Without power. With power. Honestly, we've been running non-stop for a couple months, so there's no difference in what we're doing today from any day, but still they got some of these weird little clouds. But that's alright. I got that guy out. And this nice little blue stretch here. What? Charge! My battery's charged. Alrighty, thanks. There, my house is right here. You can see it there. Right there. I'm just gonna go check out these power lines right here. These guys are funny. They're gonna have us back on at 4 p.m. tomorrow. This is just one little spot. I don't know if you can see that yet. It's jokes, these guys. I should get in there and go cut it down myself. What's got going on here? Oh, look. These wires are hanging right here. That's just a tie. These guys should be able to see that though. Love it. Probably use this guy for firewood. I was wondering if I get zapped. Get a little job somewhere. High voltage lines. 20,000 volts, 15,000 volts. Not overly interested in that. That's nice. Anyways, just another video. So, just do a little update here on where we're at. I had the dehumidifier running all day upstairs. So we're up to 609. We're not doing very much right now because I just turned off the dehumidifier and the fan. So right now we're just running the stereo outside, lights. I don't think the fridges are going. We're still cycling, so I'm making lots of power still. I'm gonna do a little laundry. Hot water. It's 124. Give that one more hit for the night. Pretty sure we're floating. Pretty sure we're floating on this 12 volt or 48 volt system. Pretty sure I sold this system, by the way. Yeah, floating 2.8 kilowatts. Making 70 watts right now. Means we got the full charge in. Okay, I'll turn this guy on. Might as well get the last little bit of hot water. Turn it off when it hits the high voltage charge. Yeah. So we're pulling off the panels. 700 watts. Anyway, yeah, nothing major, nothing out of the normal. Even though the power's off, I'm at 2.8 kilowatt hours on this system, making hot water, and the batteries are full. So, I think I got this system sold. Kind of debating whether I want that charge controller to go with it or not. Yeah, might as well. Yeah. Thanks. So, that's what we got here now. Almost 7:30. Still no power. Forget which way's on. Alright, that way's off. Anyways, let's see. Just everyone's generator's going nuts. here, one over here. Pretty much in everyone's place has a generator, except for this one. But it's life. People probably making fires now too. I'm running that off the solar as well, my heat. Anyways, you guys have a good night. We'll watch a movie with the old lady. Relax. Enjoy not having any power. Thanks. Here. 16. It is 1 degree outside. The cars are like frosted up. It's gonna be nice and sunny today though. Not bad.
Yeah.
Just turned the heater on, so there's no sun on the panels yet, and they're probably frosted over too, so you can see the frost on the roof. It's actually white. It's not good. Anyways, another day without power. You can see the microwave and the oven are off. No power on the numbers. The fridge is on. The fan is on. 13 amps, plus I just flushed the toilet. Anyways, thanks. So, it's 12 o'clock, Sunday, still no power. This guy's been just hammering in the watts into our hair. We've been running over 2,000 watts, up to 3,000 watts since 9 o'clock this morning. So that's already 7-ish kilowatt hours I put into the batteries. And it's still gotta go another 9 or 8 volts. So, we'll see how long she takes here. We were taking some power out. Down to 350 watts. And the hot water's full now too. Full enough. She's doing dishes. So there's no winning. Might as well let the batteries charge up on the system. I'll fire up some laundry. This guy out here. So what do we got here? I'm pulling 1,000 watts. It was already got its full 2-hour charge today. And then it went into float, and as it was saying charged, I flipped on the heat, brought it right down to 54 pretty quickly, held there for a bit, and just kept going down to around 50. And then when I took the power off, it went back up to 52, so it didn't really take much, even though it looked like it went down. It didn't really go down much. So, beautiful sunny day today, man. Can't believe the sun. It's one of them days that are just gonna be gorgeous day. Like, holy. Clouds are on the outskirts. Oh yeah, it's nice out here. Still no power though. Oh, and looking at these lines here. Those lines are actually live lines. I went over there and checked out that the tree hit down. These 2 top lines are... I'll wait till I stop here and show you how the whole setup. So the 2 top lines are the high voltage lines. Let's see here. You got this one up here, and this one right here. These two are your negative and positive, high voltage. There's a breaker switch right there. And there's your 120 240 transformer from high voltage to 120 240 that goes to the house. So I'm not sure which one's the positive, which one's the negative, but over there, that tree cut the line clean, both of them. And they're both ends are sitting over there on the ground. What we went and checked out earlier yesterday. So we'll see. It's already 12. They said 4 p.m. today. They haven't even gotten near to that one yet. So, not to mention that line is broken. Both lines are broken, straight, snapped. So I don't know how they bond them together. Pull them tight and bond them together. It's got to be a couple-hour process. Plus remove the tree. You know. I'd be surprised if we get power back on today. Anyways, thanks.